I never needed you to be strong. I never needed you for pointing out my wrong.